Multnomah County was the first jurisdiction in the state of Oregon to provide transgender health benefits. This happened several years ago, and I'm very proud of the fact that as the county chair, I could implement those benefits by executive order. There was no big political battle to make it happen. My colleagues on the Board of County Commissioners were very supportive. Our employees had become engaged in this issue and brought it to our attention and really pushed hard to make sure it happened. So we did implement it at Multnomah County. We understood that a healthy workforce is a workforce that's going to deliver better services to the public, and that was the bottom line for us. When we started looking at this, a lot of people who were pushing back on this were concerned about the cost. How much was this going to cost the taxpayers? How much would this cost the county? The reality is it cost virtually nothing extra. It had almost no impact whatsoever on the cost of our healthcare delivery system at Multnomah County. There's two reasons why I think it's very important that we have transgender inclusive healthcare. The first is really a social justice issue. There are people in our community who have very specific physical health and mental health needs, and we should address those needs along with the other physical and mental health needs of the community. So there's a social justice issue. It's the right thing to do. The second reason we should do it is because it's good for our organizations, it's good for our businesses to provide this kind of health coverage. We all know that when your employees are physically healthy and their mental health needs are taken care of, they're going to be more productive, engaged employees. And so it's good for the bottom line. If you want to attract and retain a quality workforce, then you need, as a employer, to provide health care benefits to attract and retain that workforce. Today, that means including transgender inclusive health services for your employees. Most large, successful corporations already provide transgender inclusive health services as part of their overall health benefits. So if you're not providing those benefits, you're probably behind the curve at this point, and you're going to find increasingly it's hard to attract and retain a quality workforce without thinking about that component of your health plan.